Entry door installation in Layton, Utah is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their home's curb appeal and security. Layton entry door installation experts provide a wide range of options, including custom entry doors, fiberglass entry doors, steel entry doors, and wooden entry doors. These professionals ensure that each Entry Doors Layton is installed with precision, offering both aesthetic appeal and functionality. Front door replacement in Layton, Utah is a popular service for those seeking to upgrade their home's entrance. Layton, Utah front door experts specialize in replacing outdated doors with modern, energy-efficient doors that improve insulation and reduce energy costs. With a variety of styles and materials available, homeowners can choose the perfect door to match their home's design. Custom entry doors. Layton UT offer homeowners the opportunity to create a unique and personalized entrance. Layton entry door design services provide a range of options, from traditional to contemporary styles, ensuring that each door complements the home's architecture. Custom doors. Layton UT are crafted with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and longevity. Door replacement services in Layton, Utah are essential for maintaining the functionality and security of your home's entryways. Layton door replacement experts offer a variety of services, including door frame replacement, door jamb replacement, and door threshold replacement. These professionals ensure that each replacement is completed efficiently, restoring the door's integrity and performance. Energy-efficient doors in Layton are a smart investment for homeowners looking to reduce their energy bills. Layton, Utah energy-efficient doors are designed to provide superior insulation, keeping your home comfortable year-round. These doors are available in various materials, including fiberglass and steel, offering both style and efficiency. Door hardware installation in Layton UT is a critical component of any door upgrade or replacement. Layton UT door hardware experts provide a range of services, including door lock installation, door hinge replacement, and door security upgrades. These services ensure that your doors are secure and function smoothly. Fiberglass entry doors in Layton, Utah are a popular choice for homeowners seeking a durable and low-maintenance option. Fiberglass doors. Layton, Utah offer excellent insulation properties and are resistant to warping, cracking, and rusting. These doors are available in a variety of styles and finishes, making them a versatile choice for any home. Steel entry doors in Layton UT provide exceptional security and durability. Steel doors. Layton UT are designed to withstand harsh weather conditions and provide a strong barrier against intruders. These doors are available in various designs and finishes, allowing homeowners to choose a style that complements their home's exterior. Wooden entry doors. Layton, Utah offer a classic and timeless appeal. Wooden doors Layton, Utah are crafted from high-quality wood, providing natural beauty and warmth to any home. These doors can be customized with various stains and finishes, allowing homeowners to create a unique and inviting entrance.